Hey everybody, I just wanted to take a quick second to introduce something that I'm going to start doing on my channel effective immediately. I have received a bunch of comments about the music on my stream, and I realized that I like to listen to heavy metal. Not everyone likes heavy metal, so that's fine. I mean, nobody's perfect. But what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to start uploading a non-music version of my streams within a day or two of going live. And there's a number of reasons for that. One, if you don't like the style of music, then I still want you to be able to enjoy the content. And number two, if you are having issues focusing because of the music and because of so much that is going on in those things. And I know some of our friends in the neurodiverse community may struggle with that. And I want to make this content more accessible to everyone. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm pretty excited about this. And I really hope that it's helpful. And if it is, let me know. If it's not, let me know. Otherwise, just let me know. Just let me know about everything, anything. I want to know everything. And while you're here, if you could just go ahead and click that like and subscribe and the buttons. And I don't know where they all are, but you know what I'm saying. You know what to do. It's YouTube. Do it. Thanks. You're the best.